It's time for trouble.
Caillou.
Caillou.
Yes, the new Family Guy episode is on. It is way better than The Simpsons. What is this?
Attention, the new episode of Family Guy is cancelled cause we are replacing it with a new episode of Caillou. Sorry for the inconvenience.
This must have been Caillou's fault.
What was my fault, Dad?
The new episode of Family Guy. My favorite show was replaced by an episode of your stupid show, and I know you did this. You are the obvious culprit, Caillou.
Okay, I admit it. I sold the rights of my show to Fox, then asked them to replace Family Guy with my show. It was all just a scheme to anger you. I'm so sore.
Nuh-uh. No sorries, you are grounded. Go to your room now.
But Dad.
No buts, Caillou, go to your room.
What's up, Caillou? Did you get grounded again?
Yes, Gilbert. It was a prank gone super wrong.
Then try again. Do something your parents will hate but make it less obvious.
Good idea. I will look on Google for things that anger parents.
I bet he will get grounded. He probably picked something really obvious.
Whoa, this is so heavy. Yay, I did it. I destroyed the coffee maker.
What is all of this noise? Okay, bald, ugly, stupid you. How freaking dare you destroy the coffee maker? Worst of all, you made that huge mess. That's it. You are grounded for 1,000,000 years. I hate you, you idiot. You thought you could really get away with this. You suck.
So did it work?
What do you think, you stupid cat?
Just wondering cause you are crying.
Oh, shut your trap, cat. Now get off my bed. I want to go to sleep.
No. Okay, you made your point, Caillou. Jeez.
Good, you stupid piece of hair I call a pet. Good night, you dumb piece of hair I call a pet named Gilbert.
I don't want to talk to you right now.
Do I have to throw another rock at you, huh?
No. Please.
Good.